The Christian Association of Nigeria Imo State chapter hereby apologizes to the Anglican Church over the recent incident of arrest of Uche Nwosu in one of its parishes. We believe that this could have been avoided, as the umbrella body of the Christians in the state. We support efforts by security agencies to bring any person fingered of involvement in any form of criminality in our states to book. But the security agencies must be mindful of the mode of operations to avoid offending the sensitivities of our people and unwillingly giving detractors the opportunity to rubbish their good works. If you are ready, I'm good to go.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.